In the past few weeks, the number of people who are generating an extra $5,000 per month from artificial intelligence side hustles has spiked. One of the main tools was Midjourney. However, recently, Midjourney was no longer free. Well, that pushed me to find the best alternative to Midjourney, and most importantly, it had to be free. And finally, I found it, Leonardo AI. This is actually a better tool that will not only generate high-quality work, but you can also use it without a Discord account. The best part is you own all the rights to the images you create. It's a sweet deal compared with Midjourney. You gotta shell out $10 a month just to get image rights. In today's video, I'll go through the features of Leonardo step by step that persuaded me to use it over Midjourney, and how with this absolutely free app to start making money today. Firstly, I'll show you how to get access to Leonardo. I go to their website and click on Launch App at the top right and select Yes, I'm whitelisted. And that's it. You've got early access to Leonardo AI. Please note that the current whitelisting process might be slightly faulty, so you can still use the app without being whitelisted. When you get to their website, you might notice that Leonardo AI is a web app, which means you don't even need a Discord account. I think it's much more convenient than Midjourney. So here on the homepage, you can explore past creations of other users. All of them are super high quality and often surpass what you can achieve with Midjourney. One thing I really like is you can click any pictures and see the full prompt and all the settings used to generate that image. More beginner-friendly than Midjourney. Plus, Leonardo AI has a built-in algorithm that lets you remove the background in just a few clicks. Simply click on any image, click here, and hit No Background. Then you can download the image as a PNG without the background. Really useful. Like many AI image generators, Leonardo AI uses a token-based system. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens that reset every 24 hours. On average, it can generate 100 images with an average cost of 4 tokens per image, but it may vary. Okay, let me show you how to create your image. Firstly, click on AI Image Generation. In this box, you can enter the prompt for the image. For example, I'll randomly input a pretty woman. Below, you can choose your preferred image model by clicking the small triangle. There are 12 options available, which is more than Midjourney. Different models consume different tokens for image generation. You can choose an officially trained model, or click on Custom Mode to select your own model or community-created models. Okay, I like this one. Click on Generate with the mode. I also noticed a small button in the bottom right corner. This button allows you to exclude elements you don't want to appear in the image. Scrolling down, you'll find tabs for both image generation and prompt generation. These features are not available in Midjourney. This tool enables you to generate more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. It's perfect for lazy users like me. Let's give it a try. Click on Generate and select the first option. It quickly generates 4 beautiful images with scenes, but I feel the details could be better. It may be because I used a user-created model. Let's try using the official model instead. Click on that. To see the effect with the simplest description, click on Generate. Wow, I think the result is better than the first time. I like the first one. Let's take a closer look. Worth noting, Leonardo also has a built-in image refinement feature. Click on it, and the refined image has more detailed facial features, looking even more realistic. Now let's move on to the main settings. On the left side, you can select the number of images generated from a single prompt. 4 is generally a good choice, giving you enough options to choose from. Prompt Magic V2 has been introduced and is currently in beta testing. This feature improves prompt adherence and allows you to adjust settings like high contrast and prompt magic strength. Next, you'll find the image resolution settings. Here you can fine-tune the image size. For optimal results, Leonardo recommends selecting a resolution of 1024 by 1024 pixels. Just below that, you'll see the Guidance Scale tab. This setting determines how closely the generated image aligns with your prompt. Choosing a lower number means the final image will deviate less from what's written in your prompt. For the best results, a recommended range is around 7. If you plan to create textures or patterns, I suggest enabling the tiling option. It proves useful for that purpose. Below that, there are 2 more options, Image to Image and Image Prompt. The former allows you to upload an image as a base for generating another image, while the latter prompts Leonardo to find a similar image based on your input. In my opinion, Leonardo AI is a more user-friendly and superior alternative to Midjourney. At the beginning of this video, I promised to show you a way to make money using Leonardo AI. The product is this drinking tumbler, and it's currently doing well in a variety of designs and shapes. Now I'll show you how I created the image with Leonardo AI and how you can sell similar images on Etsy. Now let's write our prompt. You can also click on prompt generation to get more creative and choose the image style. After a short wait, we have a finished image that we can sell. You can sell tumbler design like these as a digital product, but let's explore a more interesting method. Using Printify, we can create a physical product that the Printify team will produce for us. The advantage of this method is that we don't have to pack or ship the product ourselves. On the Printify website and pick the product you want to sell. I'll click on Start Designing and upload the design you've created in Leonardo, and make sure it fits the print area by clicking on this option. You'll have the option to add text in case you want to create personalized products, and then click on Preview. You'll be able to see what the end product will look like. All that's left is to list your product on Etsy and start earning money. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you.